Hello everyone, welcome back to SR English Conversation Channel.
Today, we're learning one simple but powerful phrase. I need your help.
You'll learn how to use it naturally in real-life conversations.
If you're ready to speak more confidently, let's get started.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and enjoy today's conversation.
Section 1. Why asking for help feels so hard. Emily, can I tell you something embarrassing?
Please do.
Last year, I was traveling. I couldn't find my hotel. I had Google Maps, my phone, everything, but I still got lost.
That happens.
I wanted to ask someone, but I was too nervous.
Why?
Because I was thinking about grammar instead of communication.
That's exactly what many learners do. They think, what if I make a mistake? What if my pronunciation isn't good? What if they don't understand me?
Meanwhile, I'm standing on the sidewalk looking like a confused penguin.
Poor penguin.
Very poor, very lost.
Here's the truth. People don't expect perfect English. They just want to understand you. That's it.
Really?
Absolutely. Confidence is more important than perfection.
Speaking practice.
Everyone, repeat after me. I need your help. Pause. Again. I need your help. One more time. I really need your help. Excellent.
Section 2. Different ways to ask for help. Okay, I need your help. Easy. What else can I say?
Great question. Let's imagine different situations.
Situation 1. You're in a store. You can't find something. You can say, "Excuse me, can you help me?" Simple, friendly, natural.
Situation 2. You're being extra polite. Could you help me, please?
That sounds more formal.
Exactly.
Situation 3. You don't know where to start. I'm a little confused. Can you help me?
I like that. It sounds honest.
Situation 4. This is my first time here. Could you help me?
Situation 5. I'm not sure what to do. Can you help me?
Wow, these sound much more natural than memorizing long sentences.
Because real conversations are usually short.
Mini story.
Imagine you're at the airport. You look at the departure board. Hundreds of flights. Thousands of people. You panic. Instead of stayed silent, walk to the information desk. Smile. Say, "Hi, I need your help. I'm looking for gate 22." That's enough.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after us. Excuse me, can you help me? Again. Excuse me, could you help me, please? One more. I need your help. Perfect.
Section 3. What people might say back. Okay. Someone agrees to help you. Then what?
Great question. You might hear, of course. Sure. No problem. What do you need? How can I help?
Let's practice. I'll ask. You answer. Ready? I need your help.
Of course. Again, I need your help. What happened? Again, I need your help. Sure. Tell me.
These responses sound friendly.
Exactly. People usually want to help.
Section 4. Real-life conversations. Scene 1. At the supermarket. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What are you looking for?
Rice.
Aisle 5.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Scene 2. At school. Emily, I need your help.
What's wrong?
I don't understand today's homework.
No worries. Let's do it together.
Scene 3. At work. Excuse me, could you help me with this report?
Of course. Let's take a look.
Scene 4. Lost in the city. Excuse me, I think I'm lost. Can you help me?
Sure. Where are you trying to go?
The train station.
It's only 5 minutes away. Walk straight, then turn left.
Thank you so much. Fun moment. Emily, have you ever asked the wrong person for help?
Oh, yes. Once I asked someone, "Excuse me, do you work here?" He looked at me, then looked at his shorts, then said, "I hope not."
Maybe he just really liked shopping.
Or maybe he was as confused as I was.
Section 5. Confidence matters more than perfect English. Can I tell everyone something?
Go ahead.
Your English doesn't have to be perfect. Really. If you say, I need help, people understand. If you say, I need your help, even better. If you smile, that's even better.
Language is about connection, not perfection. Remember that. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
Repeat after me.
I need your help. Can you help me? Could you help me, please? I'm a little confused. I'm not sure what to do. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. Amazing.
Quick review game.
Paul, quick challenge. Ready?
Always.
You're lost. What do you say?
Excuse me, can you help me?
Perfect. You're at work.
Could you help me with this project?
Nice. You're nervous.
I need your help.
Fantastic. See? You're improving already.
Motivational moment.
If you're watching this, maybe you've been afraid to speak English. Maybe you've stayed silent many times. Maybe you've thought, my English isn't good enough. Please stop believing that. Every conversation makes you stronger. Every mistake teaches you something. Every sentence builds confidence. One day, you'll remember these small practice moments and realize they changed your life.
That's beautiful and true.
Final practice. Let's say everything together one last time. I need your help. Excuse me, can you help me? Could you help me, please? I'm looking for. I'm a little confused. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your help. Amazing. Part 2. Why asking for help isn't weak.
Emily, can I ask you something?
Of course.
Why do so many people feel nervous when they need help?
Because many people think asking for help makes them look weak.
I used to think that too.
But the truth is, asking for help is a sign of confidence. It means you're ready to learn instead of pretending to know everything.
That's a good point. I remember my first day at a new job. I didn't know where anything was.
So, what did you do?
Honestly, I walked around for almost 20 minutes trying to find the meeting room.
Why didn't you ask someone?
I didn't want to look silly.
And what happened?
I was late for the meeting, and that looked even sillier.
See? Sometimes asking one simple question saves a lot of time and stress.
Lesson learned.
Useful phrases. Emily, here are 3 natural ways to ask for help. Emily, number 1, I need your help. Simple, direct, and natural.
Number 2, can you help me? Perfect for everyday situations.
And number 3, could you help me, please? This sounds a little more polite, especially when talking to someone you don't know.
Speaking practice.
Emily, repeat after me. I need your help. Pause. Can you help me? Pause. Could you help me, please? Pause. Excellent. Say the words slowly, clearly, and with confidence.
Mini conversation. Excuse me, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm looking for the library.
Go straight, then turn right. It's next to the coffee shop.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
Wow, that was easy.
Exactly. Real English doesn't have to be complicated. The more you practice these simple conversations, the more natural they'll feel.
Part 3. Real-life situations. I need your help. Emily, we've learned the phrase, I need your help, but when do people actually use it?
Great question. Let's look at some real-life situations. These are simple conversations you can use every day.
Scene 1. At a supermarket. Excuse me, I need your help.
Of course. What can I help you with?
I'm looking for the milk.
It's in aisle 4, next to the cheese.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Scene 2. At school. Emily, can you help me?
Sure. What's the problem?
I don't understand today's homework.
No worries. Let's look at it together.
Thanks. I feel much better now.
That's what friends are for.
Scene 3. Asking for directions. Excuse me, could you help me, please?
Of course.
I'm trying to find the train station.
Walk straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. You'll see it on your right.
Thank you. I was completely lost.
It happens to everyone.
Scene 4. At work. Emily, I need your help with this report.
Sure, which part is difficult?
I'm not sure how to organize the information.
Let's do it step by step. It'll be easier than you think.
Thanks. I was starting to panic.
Don't worry, we've all been there.
Funny moment. You know, sometimes I don't ask for help because I'm afraid people will laugh at me.
Really?
Yes, but then I spend 30 minutes looking for something that's right in front of me.
Like your glasses while you're already wearing them?
Okay, that happened once.
Once?
Maybe twice.
I don't believe you.
Fine, more than twice. Speaking practice.
Speaking practice. Your turn. Repeat after me. Excuse me, I need your help. Pause. Can you help me? Pause. Could you help me, please? Pause. I'm looking for the train station. Pause. Thank you so much for your help. Pause. Excellent. The more you repeat these phrases, the more confident you'll become.
Quick challenge.
Paul, let's play a quick game.
I'm ready.
You're in a bookstore and you can't find the English learning section. What do you say?
Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the English books.
Perfect. Now you're at the airport and you don't know where gate 15 is.
Excuse me, I need your help. Where is gate 15?
Excellent. Short, polite, and natural.
You know what? These conversations are much easier than I expected.
That's because real English is simple. You don't need long, complicated sentences. Just speak clearly, be polite, and don't be afraid to ask for help.
Part 4. How native speakers respond when you ask for help.
Emily, we've practiced asking for help, but what happens next?
That's an important question. When you ask for help, you also need to understand the other person's response.
Right. Sometimes people answer so quickly that I think, wait, what did they just say?
Don't worry. Let's practice the most common responses.
Response 1. Of course. Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I'm looking for the nearest bank.
It's just across the street.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Response 2. Sure. I need your help.
Sure. What's the problem?
I can't find my classroom.
No problem. I'll show you where it is.
Thanks a lot.
Response 3. No problem.
Could you help me, please?
No problem. I'd be happy to help.
I don't know how to use this ticket machine.
Let me show you. It's actually very easy.
Oh, now I understand.
Response 4. What can I do for you?
Excuse me, I need your help.
Certainly. What can I do for you?
I'm trying to find the customer service desk.
It's on the second floor, next to the elevator.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
Funny story.
Emily, have you ever misunderstood someone's answer?
Oh, yes. Once I asked, "Can you help me?" The man smiled and said, "Follow me."
Sounds normal.
It was until I realized he was talking on his Bluetooth headphones.
So he wasn't talking to you.
Nope. I stood there for 5 seconds, wondering why he was walking away so fast.
That's hilarious. I've done something similar.
See? Funny moments happen to everyone. Just smile and keep going.
Speaking practice.
Repeat after us. Of course. Sure. No problem. I'd be happy to help. What do you need? Great job.
Mini role play.
Let's do a complete conversation. I'll be the shop assistant. You'll be the customer. Ready?
Ready. Excuse me, I need your help.
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm looking for a blue backpack.
We have some upstairs. Follow me.
Thank you. I really appreciate your help.
You're very welcome.
Confidence tip. You know what I've learned today?
What?
A lot of English learners think I'll speak English when I'm fluent, but that's the wrong way to think.
Exactly. You become fluent because you speak, not before you speak.
Every conversation, every mistake, every question, every "can you help me" makes you a stronger English speaker.
So don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be afraid of not trying, because every small step brings you closer to your goal.
Quick recap.
Today, we learned how to say, I need your help. Can you help me? Could you help me, please? Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it.
These simple expressions can help you in a supermarket, at school, at work, at the airport, or anywhere in the world.
Comment challenge. Before you go, we have a challenge for you.
Write one sentence in the comments using I need your help.
It can be funny, serious, or about your daily life. We'll read as many comments as we can.
Outro. If you enjoyed today's English podcast, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
And subscribe to the channel for more real-life English conversations that help you speak with confidence.
Remember, don't wait for perfect English. Use the English you already know.
Keep practicing a little every day. Stay confident, keep smiling, and never be afraid to say, I need your help.
Thanks for watching.
Take care.
See you in the next episode. Bye!